You have installed everything you wish in MX Linux, and now you want to make a live USB of this install. First we're gonna unmount the USB. I already put it in the USB port, and we're using PCMan-FM for that. Right click and unmount volume. Now we're gonna make the snapshot, MX tools, MX snapshot. If you have Virtualbox, this folder will be too large, so we exclude it from the list. And if there's too much in your downloads folder, clean it up before, so it's smaller. Next, and we start. Now the snapshot is finished, and there's always a warning that more than 1024 cylinders means that not all bioses will be able to boot from this device. But until now, all my USBs have been able to boot on my computers. Now we're gonna put this ISO to a USB. With MX Live USB Maker. We choose our USB which we have unmounted. Be sure there's no other USBs attached to your computer. Now we select the ISO, and it will be in the snapshot file folder in your home directory. Snapshot, and we'll take the last one today. Open. I always take the image mode read-only live USB with DD. You can have a writable live USB if you want to. Next. They will destroy all data on the USB. Yes. Your password. And when you're done, you can boot from your computer, from the USB, and you will have the exact same setup that you have in your installed computer, or MX Linux, I mean.